Can you be flexible and strong? So strength is incredibly specific because strength is mainly neurological. Now, obviously, a bigger muscle is typically a stronger muscle, but to your brain, lifting, something really heavy and lifting something really light with a small muscle group, two totally different skills. Your brain will recruit different muscle fibers. Your muscle fibers each have different thresholds that need to be met before they will be recruited. Some fatigue more quickly, et cetera, et cetera. Managing all that is a nervous system skill. Furthermore, bigger muscles like your lats, your glutes, your quads, their attachments are pretty complicated. They attach in multiple places. Some of them have very broad attachments, and different fibers can contribute to different movement patterns, which is why we train certain muscle groups with multiple exercises. Like lats, you do have a vertical pull and you have a horizontal pull. Those are both lat exercises that challenge different fibers. So different exercises will challenge different fibers, but they will also challenge different neurological structures related to those fibers. There are also neurological structures in our muscles that sense tension. When a muscle reaches a certain threshold of tension, the neurological structures related to that can inhibit further motion. By repeatedly accessing that tense state and by keeping yourself calm, controlling your breathing, which is something you do in yoga that achieves this end, you can open up further ranges of motion, because when you stay calm and manage your nervous system excitement, you're telling your body that you are safe in that tense state. Also, there are adaptations you can make as far as tissue extensibility. Some of those tension-sensing neurological structures are also responsible for initiating the hormonal cascade that needs to happen for muscle growth to happen. So, they sense tension, they set off a switch, and that sets off another switch, another switch, another switch, and so on down the pipeline until it gets to your brain, and your brain will divert resources to building more muscle. A muscle with a longer range of motion is definitely also capable of performing more mechanical work. Work is distance times force. So, from lifting from here to here, that's more distance than from here to here. So it's more mechanical work. More work means more time under tension. It also means more metabolic stress, both of which are thought to be factors in muscle growth. So flexibility, mobility, size, and strength are all interrelated. So by training our muscles through the longest possible range of motion and by emphasizing those more stretched positions, we are delivering a more robust stimulus to our system. Greater stimulus, greater adaptation. So not only can you be flexible and strong, but the stronger you would like to be, the more flexible you should try to be. The reverse is true too. If flexibility is more important to you, it's still important for you to build strength. This is why I always recommend all my clients perform slow, controlled eccentrics, emphasizing the most stretched positions, going through a full range of motion, and to actually devote time specifically to stretching. Because over time, this is going to make you stronger.